ladies and gentlemen, old guy back again, Triumph from Waukesha with a 2023 Triumph Speed Twin 900. I am super excited to ride this. I'm generally excited to ride any bike, to be honest, but this one, kind of a smaller bike. I'm actually looking forward to the 400s when they come out. Once they're here at Triumph from Waukesha, I'm going to get my hands on those, which would be great. But the Speed Twin 900, this is a 900cc parallel twin, producing claimed 65 brake horsepower, 59 foot-pounds of torque, and a wet weight of 476 pounds. So it's not light, but it's not super heavy either. It's not insanely powerful, but it's also not slow. Very approachable. A little bit lower of seat height, which is really nice. It's got a nice plush seat to it too. But I'm super excited to see how this is on the road. This does not have cruise control. This does not have adjustable front suspension. Does have preload adjustability in the rear. Super small tank. Okay. Yeah, this is I like this bike, and I just started riding it. That's the interesting thing. As you get older, it's like, well, I don't really need a big bike. I mean, small bikes are fun. And yeah, they are. It does have modes, it has road and rain. Not really. And I'll be perfectly honest, if I owned this bike, I would never put it into rain, even if it was raining, because it really doesn't have that much power. Not that big of a deal. Yeah. I mean, 400, it says 476 pounds. It is really, really light for that weight. The bars are nice and wide, so I have a nice command handlebar position. The tank is super small, which the only thing I wish I had was would be tank pads right here. You know, just give that a little bit wider of a tank so I have something for my knees to hit, because I'm 5'9", 220 pounds, so I have to kind of smack into the tank, and I'm squeezing way more than I want to. So just a little bit wider on the tank would be nice. I do love the sound of this bike. Oh God, it's so flickable. I mean, incredibly flickable. Stable. It's very easy to ride. Very easy to ride. I like it. And all that being said, this bike is $9,695. This bike, right here, brand new. It ain't cheap. Ooh, really like the weld on that. Look at that. Ooh. I don't know if you can see that. That's really good. It's really nice. Start taking taking welds into consideration. Jesus. Yeah, very light. Oh, very flickable. Just kind of flicks over. Oof. And the seat is really, really nice. Brakes, solid. Try a U-turn. Slow speed right there. Jesus, yeah. Two parking spots. This bike is really, really fun. I really do like bikes of this category. I really do. They're so much fun to ride, and unlike the bigger bikes, it's just I don't know. It's just, I mean, all right, at a stop, I am completely flat-footed. No real bend in my knee. Slight. But it's just comfortable. It's a comfortable place to be. But I mean, let's look at it like this, right? For $9,695, you have a lot of options in bikes. Yeah. You have to like the styling for this bike, to be perfectly honest with you. If you were going to choose this one over a competitor, Z900, which is way more bike, way more bike. You really have to like the styling of this bike to choose this over that. And I can see a world where you would. It's just got that classic Triumph Bonnie look, and it really is a great looking bike. In a bike like this, I really don't care so much about the power. I really don't. Not that the power's bad. Honestly, the power's pretty good on this bike. That was a decent acceleration. That was full throttle. I mean, I did go full throttle there. But it's got decent acceleration. It's got a really, really nice look to it. It's comfortable. This bike is really good. It is. And it's not very vibrational. I mean, I'm actually shocked by the fact that it's not very vibrational. But it just kind of cruises, and man, it's really nice. Honestly, I don't consider I don't consider these bikes from Triumph as retro bikes. It's just how it looks, and it looks great. It really does. It looks great. I mean, if you haven't seen one of these in person, or if you haven't ridden one, you're missing out. Because you should, and you also should. You should do both. And if you want to, come out to Triumph and Agusta. You got a motorcycle license, come out to Triumph and Agusta. One of the very few dealers I've been to that has just a fleet of demo bikes for people to ride. And they actively want you to ride the bike. They want you to try it. That's why I partnered with them. Not just because they get me on bikes. It's because they care about riders. any dealership I do business with, they care about riders. They want people to ride their bikes. They want people to get on two wheels. And that's what's important. Are they trying to make money? Absolutely they are. Because, well, they wouldn't be in business. But anyway. Sorry, tangent. Neutral. Kickstand. There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, 2023 Triumph Speed Twin 900. I like this bike. It's a lot of money. And could you get more of a bike for this money? Yes, you could. But I'm going to be honest with you. Probably not going to be this much fun. I mean, I've ridden most of them. And yeah, I think I can honestly tell you, I had more fun than this. This is a lot of fun. This is a good little bike. It really is. It's a good little bike. But if you don't believe me, come out to Triumph and Waukesha. Ride it. Ride it. Maybe you fall in love. Anyway, everybody, thanks for tuning in. If you would like, subscribe, do all the things, appreciate it. And just know I'm here for you. Everybody stay safe. Old guy out.